7 train is Flushing, next stop Grand Central, Tango to Golden Village. This is Grand Central 42nd Street, Flushing bound 7. Next stop is Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. Transfer you to the 4, 5, and 6 trains up below. Tango to Golden Village. This is Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. 7 train to Flushing, next stop, Hunters Point Avenue. Tango to Golden Village. This is Hunters Point Avenue. Flushing bound 7, next stop is Court Square. Tango to Golden Village. This is Court Square. Transfer for the E&G train. 7 trains to Flushing, next stop, Queensboro Plaza. Tango to Golden Village. This is Queensboro Plaza. Transfer for the N train to the story across the platform. Flushing bound 7, next stop is 33rd Street. Tango to Golden Village. This is 33rd Street, Ross. Flushing bound 7, next stop, 40th Street. Tango to Golden Village. This is 40th Street, Lowry Street. Flushing bound 7, next stop, 46th Street. Tango to Golden Village. This is 46th Street, Liz Street. Flushing bound 7, next stop, 52nd. Tango to Golden Village. This is 52nd Street. Flushing bound 7, next stop, 61st Woodside. Tango to Golden Village.